In a significant anti-narcotics drive ahead of the upcoming Durga Puja festival, the Khowai Women's Police Station has successfully seized a large quantity of foreign liquor and drugs in two separate operations on Tuesday. Acting on a tip-off, police officers, some in plain clothes, first raided a restaurant located on the official road in Khowai. The establishment was allegedly being used as a front for a long-running drug operation. During the raid, police apprehended two individuals identified as Kajal Barman and Sunny Dev Burma, while they were allegedly selling drugs openly. A quantity of illicit substances were seized from their possession. In a second successful operation on the same day, the Women's Police Station received intelligence that a large stock of foreign liquor was being hoarded at the residence of Satendra Dev in the Paharmura area of Khowai. The police team acted swiftly, raiding the house and recovering a total of 78 bottles of foreign-made liquor. Satendra Dev was taken into custody and brought to the police station for further questioning.
আজ বিকেলবেলা আমাদের কাছে খবর আসে যে পাহাড়মুড়ায় একটি বাড়িতে হিউজ কোয়ান্টিটি বিলেতি মদ নিয়ে স্টক করা হয়েছে। তো সেই মোতাবেক আমরা ওনার বাড়িতে রেড করি। রেড করার পর সার্চ করে ওনার বাড়ি থেকে 78 ভ্যারাইটিস টাইপ ফরেন লিকার তাদের বাড়িতে পাওয়া যায় এবং ওনাকে সহকারে আমরা সেগুলি সিজ করে থানায় নিয়ে আসি।
যার বাড়ি থেকে মালগুলো উদ্ধার হয়েছে ওনার নাম কি?
ওনার নাম সুদেন্দ্র দেব।
The police action is part of a broader crackdown on illegal substance trade in the region as authorities ramp up efforts to curb criminal activities during this festive season. Reported by Biplab from Khowai, Chinikhorang.